Hi YouTube, welcome back to another unboxing slash review. At this time we're going to take a look at the Vivitar Listen Up Bluetooth audio kit. Okay, this kit comes with a bonus stereo earphone. General characteristics of the box. On the box, we can also find the general characteristics of the items in the box. The items are compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod, MP3, Android phones, smartphones, and tablets. First time I got the item, I thought it was only compatible with everything iPhone, iPad, and iPod only. But I can see it's compatible with quite a lot of different devices. As per the package contents, we're going to find Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speaker, stereo earphone, USB charging cable, auxiliary cable, and user manual. Bluetooth, wireless, high definition audio, easy to recharge. They've got built-in microphones so you can use them to answer calls, and you can also control the music. And the headphones have foldable ear cups so you can easily carry them around. So all in all, very sturdy package. Is very well built, and we're gonna go straight and open the box. Actually, before we completely open the box, we can have a view of the contents from right here. We've got the speakers, we've got the headphones, we've got the earphones. So auxiliary cable, USB cable. Closer look at the earphones. The headphones right here. Close look at the headphones. It's foldable. I can see any slot for external cards, meaning it doesn't accept external memory cards, but the pads are very soft, and it's over the ear. Big advantage over on the ear headphones. This is quite soft, you can use it for a longer time. Different from on the ear headphones are after a while it starts getting uncomfortable. That's it about the headphones. And finally, the speaker. But before we take a closer look at the speaker, we'll look at the manual. So the manual is totally in English, and this is the model or the serial of the Bluetooth BZ811BT Bluetooth headphones and speaker. So the user guide is totally in English, as we mentioned. And then going back to the speaker, we can see it's quite simple at the back. It's got the slot for the USB, the slot for the auxiliary cable. You can charge other devices with the speaker. These here are to be used to change your songs, and they also serve as a volume rocker. Right in the middle, that's the power on button. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how loud it sounds. Make sure your device, your cell phone is on, and make sure you pair it with a VIV speaker. So let's see if we can try the sound. It sounds quite loud and clear, and that's about all about this Vivitar Listener Bluetooth audio kit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.